Ever wondered how to get rich using creative ideas? It's not as elusive as you might think. In fact, creativity is a driving force behind wealth creation. It's the spark that ignites innovation and breeds success. It's more than just having a unique idea, it's about turning that idea into something tangible, something of value that people want. But how do you go about it? Well, it's a process, a journey, and we're here to guide you through it. We'll explore 7 key steps to help you unleash your creative potential and turn those imaginative thoughts into a goldmine. These steps include investing and diversifying, identifying a niche or problem, brainstorming creative solutions, building your brand, executing your idea, marketing your offering, and finally, iterating and improving. So buckle up as we dive into the world of creative riches. It's an exciting journey filled with twists and turns, but one thing's for sure, it's gonna be worth it. Step 1. Invest and diversify. It's not just about stocks and bonds. Diversification is the spice of wealth creation. It's about spreading your eggs across multiple baskets, and not just the traditional ones. Yes, stocks and bonds are great, but have you considered the world of creative ventures? These are the realms where innovation thrives and new wealth is born. Think about investing your time, energy, and resources into creative ideas. These could be anything from a groundbreaking app, a unique service, to a revolutionary product. Investing in creativity is like planting a seed. It might seem small and insignificant at first, but with time and nurturing, it can grow into a tree that bears fruit year after year. And remember, diversification isn't just a safety net, it's a trampoline. It cushions your fall but also propels you to greater heights. Remember, the first step to getting rich with creativity is to invest and diversify. Next, identify a niche or a problem. Successful ideas often come from filling gaps. You see, the world is full of opportunities disguised as problems. And it's those who can spot these hidden gems that end up creating something truly unique and valuable. So, how do you find this niche or problem? Start by observing your surroundings. Look at the industries you're interested in or familiar with. What are the common complaints? What's missing? What can be improved? Just remember that the best opportunities often lie where no one else is looking. So don't be afraid to venture into uncharted territories. The key here is to be curious, to question the status quo, and to constantly seek improvement. This can be the driving force behind your creative ideas and ultimately your wealth creation. Remember, every great business started as a simple solution to a problem. Once you've found a niche or problem, you're ready to brainstorm solutions. Now let's brainstorm creative solutions. The wilder, the better. Brainstorming is a process where there are no bad ideas. It's about letting your mind wander, thinking big, and dreaming beyond boundaries. It's a time to set aside your doubts and let your innovative spirit take the lead. You see, the most successful entrepreneurs often think outside the box. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo or to take risks. They see problems not as obstacles but as opportunities for innovation. Try using different brainstorming techniques. Mind mapping can be a great tool for visual thinkers, while free writing can help those who prefer working with words. And remember, collaboration can also be a powerful tool. Different perspectives can often lead to unique and innovative solutions. So, let your imagination run wild. Push your thinking, stretch your ideas, and explore the unexplored. With a list of creative solutions in hand, it's time to build your brand. Building your brand is crucial. It's not just about a logo. It's about creating a unique identity that represents your values, your mission, and the quality of your creative solutions. It's about fostering an emotional connection with your audience, building trust, and establishing credibility. Imagine your brand as a story that unfolds over time, a narrative that captures the essence of who you are and what you stand for. This story should resonate with your target market, drawing them in and making them want to be a part of your journey. A strong brand also sets you apart from the competition. In a world filled with noise, your brand should be the signal that cuts through, grabbing attention and holding it. Remember, your brand is your promise to your customers. It's a pledge of the value they can expect from your creative ideas. It's your ticket to building wealth. With a strong brand, you're ready to execute your idea. Execution is where the rubber meets the road. It's time to bring your idea to life. You see, having a brilliant idea is great, but without effective execution, it's like a high-performance car without fuel. It looks good, but it won't go anywhere. So, how do you ensure you execute effectively? First, create a detailed action plan. Know what you need to do, when, and how. Break down your idea into manageable chunks and tackle each one methodically. Second, don't fear failure. It's an integral part of the process. Use it as a stepping stone to learn and grow, not as a roadblock. Third, be adaptable. In the world of business, change is the only constant. If something isn't working, be prepared to tweak your strategy. And lastly, don't go it alone. Surround yourself with a supportive team. Their skills and insights can be invaluable in executing your idea. Once your idea is out there, it's time to market your offering. Marketing your offering is key. It's how you get your idea in front of the right people. And there's a whole world of strategies that can help you do just that. On the traditional side, you have billboards, TV and radio ads, direct mail, and even good old word of mouth. These methods have been tried and tested for decades, and they can still pack a punch in the right context. But let's not forget about digital. The internet has opened up a treasure trove of marketing possibilities. Social media can put your idea in front of billions of eyeballs. Email marketing can help you build a relationship with potential customers. Search engine optimization can help people discover your offering organically. Pay-per-click advertising can help you reach a targeted audience fast. And content marketing can establish you as an expert in your field. These are just a few examples. The right mix will depend on your offering and your audience. But remember, marketing is not a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process of reaching out, engaging, and refining your message. Once you've marketed your offering, it's time to iterate and improve. Finally, iterate and improve. Perfection is a process, not a destination. It's about honing your craft, refining your ideas, and never shying away from change. It's about embracing the fact that your first idea may not be your best one, and that's perfectly okay. Let's consider the world of business. Continuous improvement is a cornerstone of success. It's about seeking feedback, listening to it, and using it as fuel to propel your creative ideas forward. It's about realizing that every setback is a setup for a comeback, and every challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become better. So, don't just settle. Strive for constant progress, not instant perfection. Be open to criticism, and ready to make necessary adjustments. Remember, you're not just building a product or a service, you're creating an experience, a journey, that's meant to evolve with time and with the people it serves. By iterating and improving, you're on your way to creative riches. So there you have it, the process of getting rich using creative ideas. We've journeyed through the 7-step process, beginning with investing and diversifying. Remember, wealth is not born out of a single source, but rather a varied portfolio. Next, we identified a niche or problem. The key to success often lies in finding a gap in the market or a problem that needs solving. From there, we brainstormed creative solutions. This is where your creative juices really come into play. Then, we discussed the importance of building your brand. Your brand is your promise to your customers. Following this, we moved on to executing your idea. It's not enough to just have a great idea. You have to put it into action. Next, we explored marketing your offering. In today's digital age, marketing is more crucial than ever. Finally, we talked about iterating and improving. Success is a journey, not a destination. Remember, creativity is the key to wealth. Now go out there and make your creative ideas work for you.